Alright, boys and girls, first we're going to start off by folding it in half. Now we're going to draw a face, and a thick line face. Now if it helps you to draw on both sides of the paper, that's fine, but just remember the fold is the middle. Now that we have the face, we're going to start cutting the pieces out. The fold in the middle helps it easier to reach the nose and the mouth, and if you cut from there. Then the eye is the hardest part. It has to connect to one of the two sides. So I made it connect mine to the outside. Now I'm going to turn it sideways and cut some little strips. Now be careful not to get too close to whatever you cut out already, but you can cut out little strips. Now this will be the hair. Now I'm going to take my pencil and roll it up. So I just kind of put the paper, hold it to the pencil like this. See, here's a close-up, and then rolling it up. So that makes the hair kind of curly, and the ancient Greeks had curly hair, and so this was kind of one of the things they would do. Even on their masks they would have curly hair, so we're doing that as well, and it makes it kind of fun too. It gives it a 3D look, and it makes it look more funny or sad. Now you can do any emotion you want. I did happy in this one. You could do sad, mad, frustrated. Now I'm on the back side where there's a mess up, and now watch, I'm going to glue it to the black paper. Now you may not get to this the first day, but you will by the end of this project. So here he is, there's a happy one. There will be some more examples in the classroom as well. Good job.